What's up, it's Sierra LaFay. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be an update of how I do the Aphogee two-step hair protein treatment. Haven't done this in years, but realize this is one of the cheapest, most effective hair treatments that you can do to help with repairing damaged hair and just strengthening your hair in general. So my leave out has gone through quite a bit of damage with my sewins. So with the new year approaching, one of my hair goals is to try to get my leave out back in good health, and I figured this would be a great start to do so. So yeah, don't want to ramble, let's just get right into the video. I've already washed my hair with the Moerie, don't know how you properly pronounce it, but y'all have heard me constantly tell you about this shampoo and conditioner that I've been using. It's not sponsored, it's just I really like it because for me it's a clean product, and I personally see what it does for the health of my hair and the growth for my hair. It really does work for me. So I made sure to wash my hair first, and now for the protein treatment. So when I first applied this treatment, I did a few things wrong, so I made note to make sure not to do those things in this video. But the directions start off with comb the Aphogee two-step protein treatment evenly throughout towel dried hair, leave hair uncovered. Then we're going to dry the hair using medium heat, high airflow. Hooded dryer is best. When the Aphogee treatment is dried into the hair becomes hard. Do not comb or brush while Aphogee treatment is dried in the hair. I'm gonna first shake it up. This time around, I don't have a hooded dryer, and it's something that I really need to get, but I've just been a little cheap about it. This is my hair as of now. My curls are looking like. So the first time I did this, I did separate my hair. Ended up like twisting my hair up and putting it up like this. That was a no-no. So I figured this time around I would get hair clips, and after I put the treatment in each section of my hair, I would just clamp it with the clip. So hopefully not manipulate the hair strands too much. This is also something a professional is supposed to do, but as long as we're really careful, I think we'll be okay. Also a little hesitant with combing through my hair because I did do that last time, but since my hair has only been shampooed, and of course I don't detangle my hair while I'm shampooing it, it feels very tangled, and I don't want to cause breakage with trying to detangle hair that to me isn't ready to be detangled yet. I don't know, I might gently try to do it. Right now I'm just starting with taking my fingers to separate. Although I'm gonna part it into 4 big sections, something that I think will help to make sure that all the product is evenly distributed is dividing each of the quadrants in half again, so that way I can make sure everything is coated nicely. What I've learned, especially after getting my hair professionally done recently, which I'll have that video linked, is I don't have the patience for my hair. So for me to sit here and do this is irking me, but it's also probably just something that I need to learn more of, which is patience. Which I do have a lot of patience in some areas, and then there's other areas like my hair where I don't. Shake it up again. Let me make sure there's nothing. Yes, there is some paper. It doesn't say anything about gloves. I don't think it would hurt if you wanted to use gloves. I took about a quarter size amount. This smells, it just smells like, I can't even describe it. I remember last time I said rotten eggs, but it smells like it's definitely gonna be doing something to my hair. I really wanna make sure to focus on the ends of the hair because it's the weakest. And every time that I pour the solution in my hands, it's about a quarter size, just so you know. And I know I mentioned that this is one of the cheapest things that you can do to help with really repairing your hair. I think I paid like $17 because it comes with 2 products. I got mine off Amazon, but I know that at some beauty supply stores you can get this for cheaper. So yeah, technically it wants me to comb this through. I'm not about to comb this through. I feel like it's starting to harden. I don't want to cause damage. All right, so my camera cut out for a little bit. I have it on a new setting. Hopefully it doesn't cut out again, but I had to keep going. And as you can see, I did add the little hair clips to help with keeping the hair separated. So I did get the protein treatment over these 3 sections of my hair, and now I'm going to do this front section. Pretty much been doing the same thing, just adding about a quarter size amount every time that I add the protein treatment in my hands. My hands are feeling super sticky. The smell actually isn't that bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not overwhelming me, and it probably helps that I'm in an open area. So if you are in the bathroom doing this, maybe if you have a vent or a fan, I would turn it on. And make sure that you're getting every inch of your hair from the crown to your edges, to the kitchen, because if we're gonna do this, we might as well make sure that we're getting all of our hair more protected. And I would say this time around, I probably used only a third of the bottle. Now, I'm going to use my blow dryer. This is the Remington one. I have it linked down below, and we're gonna do medium heat with a high airflow. Also, I'm going to always make sure that I keep the blow dryer pointed downward. I don't want to risk having the cuticle go up and down all over the place. So again, we're just going to keep the blow dryer aimed down. And as you see, as I'm taking out the clips, I'm not trying to separate my hair at all. I'm not trying to lift it up to get underneath to blow dry. I'm just letting the hair be how it wants to be, and I'm just applying indirect heat to it to help the treatment to really activate in the cuticles. Blow dry the hair for about 10 minutes and it feels like crunchy leaves. And now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my hair twice, towel dry it, then add the second step for the treatment, which is pretty much the conditioner, and I'll make sure to detangle my hair as well. Look at how sticky this stuff is. Got the conditioner all rinsed out, and it smells like cleaning solution. I remember this smell from last time, and now I feel like I need to mop my floors. Hair feels very, very moisturized. Definitely notice a difference in the strength of my hair as well, how it feels. And this treatment would be perfect for you if you have been struggling a lot with breakage. This should help with stopping that or minimizing it very greatly. Here's a little close-up of my curls. And if you're someone who wears your hair curly often and want to help define them more or kind of help to repair some of the looser curls, this would be a really, really good treatment for you as well. Also, if you found that you got a little bit of heat damage, this could be something that you can use to see if you can help revert your hair back. And this is only something you want to do no more than once a month. I'm just going to style my hair like I usually do. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until the next video, ciao.